it's raining and no more Sunday activities. Too muddy. Doug, and I hear a voice. Doug, what? Elliot scared me. Holy crap. Ouch. What's up, Elliot? Well, we decided to do some indoor activities. Well, why not? I see my mom brought in a lot of groceries. Oh, that's cool. So, let's go get Bruce. Yeah. I bet he's just doing his everyday activity while it's raining. What? Taking a nap in your bed. What? I don't know. Doritos. Mountain Dew. Emoji activate! So, emoji activate now. Bruce. Ah! Holy crap. I scared him half to death by doing that. He's still asleep. Doge. Yay! Doge. What's that? Elliot, go return that. Alright. Oh, cool. What is Doge up to now? I don't know. Doge! Ow. What's up? Psst, psst, psst. I don't know. I want to do something that's boring. Boring? It's just rain outside. I gotta think. Thinking hurts my head. While doing like this. Boing, 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 doing. Ow. So, I gotta think I don't know. I just don't know. But, I smell a butt. I smell a butt. I smell a butt. Ew, I love that odor. Doge. Ah! What the heck are you doing? I was bored. I was just bored. What, Elliot? It's just so funny. I can't. Not funny anymore. Go on. Okay. What? Like what? You really have to snip my butt, do you? No. Anyways, let's just do something. Like. Da 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 da. There's like no games. There's like no games at all. I know. Lightning bolts just flash into my head. One wonder it could be. Maybe in here? Holy crap, a lot of balls. Okay, what's in here? Oh, what's this? I better just grab it from... Hey Bruce, what about this game right here? Bruce? Brucey! Ah! If Naraya is watching, you will be excited! Okay. I don't know. What do you don't know about? I don't know. Oh man! The smallest part ever. Can't even hear it. Anyways. Thanks. I got a banana. It's healthy. I will eat it.
All the bananas, unless you ask.
Alright, but I did not even ask, but thank you. Well, that was like no reason. I just saw that. Whether it's a lie, I don't know. Let's just get this bloody game out. We need a smoother surface. Yeah, but where? To the floor. Alright. Ow. Are you okay, Bruce? Holy crap. Doge. What? Oh, that's cool. What is that? You said it's some kind of game, but what is it? What's that noise? Tsunami of letters! Dude! What is this? Letters. This is a stupid game. But dude! What? This game is supposed to be fun. Oh, really? What did you just say so? What was that notification of yours, Elliot? Let me check. Low. Hey, comment me Lil. Cool. Anyways, let's go. They play for about 1 hour and then something else. So anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching this. If you guys want, please come like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.